Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 0.25-year-old certified nutrition and health coach's go-to breakfast. It sets me up for success. It makes me feel good. The foods you eat have a significant impact on your energy, mood, and overall well-being throughout the day. Hunter Stoller, a certified nutrition and health coach, has a go-to high-fiber, high-protein breakfast that he eats almost every day to feel his best. Stoller's yogurt bowl recipe includes non-fat Greek yogurt, protein powder, frozen organic wild blueberries, healthy cereal or granola, and spices like cinnamon or pumpkin spice. This combination of protein, fiber, and antioxidants helps keep Stoller full and satisfied for several hours. Other healthy breakfast options Stoller recommends include overnight oatmeal and toast with scrambled eggs and avocado or yogurt. Stoller emphasizes the importance of having a structured meal with flexibility to accommodate personal preferences and dietary needs. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.